Did you know that a single ingredient can combat skin issues, enhance hair growth, and alleviate pain? Castor oil, derived from a humble bean, has been prized for its medicinal and cosmetic properties for over 4,000 years. From ancient Egyptian medicinal practices to modern-day beauty regimens, castor oil has stood the test of time, offering a natural approach to enhancing your well-being. We'll explore how you can incorporate castor oil into your daily routine, the science behind its effectiveness and potential side effects. Castor oil is a pale yellow liquid extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Native to tropical regions of Africa and India, the castor plant is now cultivated globally for its oil-rich seeds. The extraction process involves cold pressing the seeds to release the oil, which is then filtered and purified. The resulting oil is pale yellow and viscous, possessing a distinct, slightly nutty odor. Unlike many other vegetable oils, castor oil is not primarily used for cooking. Its thick consistency and unique composition make it more suitable for medicinal and cosmetic applications. Its versatility, affordability, and proven track record make it an appealing option for those looking to incorporate holistic remedies into their health and wellness routines. Castor oil boasts a rich history dating back to ancient civilizations. The Egyptians, renowned for their advanced medicinal practices, revered castor oil as a healing agent and incorporated it into their cosmetics. They used it to treat eye irritations, heal wounds, and even as a laxative. In ancient India, castor oil was a staple in Ayurvedic medicine, valued for its ability to reduce inflammation, alleviate pain, and promote digestion. Fast forward to modern times, and castor oil continues to be recognized for its therapeutic benefits. It remains a popular choice for addressing various health concerns, including constipation, skin conditions, and hair loss. Contemporary research has shed light on the scientific basis for many of its traditional uses, confirming its efficacy in promoting skin health, reducing inflammation, and supporting digestive regularity. Today, castor oil is experiencing a resurgence in popularity as people increasingly seek natural alternatives to conventional treatments. Its versatility, affordability, and proven track record make it an appealing option for those looking to incorporate holistic remedies into their health and wellness routines. Castor oil is a godsend for those seeking radiant, healthy-looking skin. Rich in ricinoleic acid, this viscous oil penetrates deeply into the skin, delivering its therapeutic properties to address a range of concerns. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial actions make it an effective treatment for acne, reducing redness, swelling, and the formation of new blemishes. Moreover, castor oil's moisturizing properties help soothe dry, irritated skin, relieving conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Its ability to promote collagen production and cell turnover makes it a valuable ally in the fight against aging. Regular application of castor oil can help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, revealing smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Beyond its targeted benefits, castor oil serves as an excellent all-natural moisturizer for all skin types. Its humectant properties attract and retain moisture, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. Whether you're battling breakouts, combating the signs of aging, or simply seeking to enhance your skin's natural radiance, castor oil offers a safe and effective solution. Castor oil isn't just beneficial for your skin, it's a great way to promote healthy hair growth. Its unique fatty acid profile nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair follicles, reducing hair loss and promoting thicker, fuller hair. Massaging castor oil into your scalp improves blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles and stimulating hair growth. Furthermore, castor oil's antifungal and antibacterial properties help combat scalp infections, dandruff, and other conditions that can hinder hair growth. Its moisturizing properties condition the hair shaft, reducing breakage and split ends, leaving your locks soft, shiny, and more manageable. Castor oil has long been used for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective remedy for joint pain and other inflammatory conditions. As someone who has struggled with arthritis for years, I can tell you that castor oil has been a game changer for me. Applying it to my joints has significantly reduced the pain and stiffness. It's truly remarkable how something so simple can provide such relief. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, helping to reduce inflammation and improve mobility. For those dealing with chronic pain, castor oil can be a natural and effective part of your pain management routine. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. From ancient Egypt to modern times, its versatility and effectiveness have stood the test of time. Whether for medicinal, cosmetic, or therapeutic purposes, castor oil remains a staple in many households. While castor oil has many benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. I experienced some digestive discomfort when I first started using it. It's crucial to start with small doses and see how your body reacts. Some people might experience allergic reactions, skin irritation, or other side effects. Always perform a patch test before applying it to large areas of your skin, and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. When it comes to choosing castor oil, it's best to go for cold-pressed, pure, and organic varieties. These options ensure that you're getting the highest quality oil without harmful additives. Also, remember to store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. To use castor oil safely, always follow recommended dosages and application methods. Whether you're using it for hair, skin, or health purposes, moderation is key. And of course, if you're uncertain, don't hesitate to seek advice from a professional. Embracing the power of castor oil can lead to remarkable benefits for your health and well-being. From promoting hair growth to soothing joint pain, its uses are vast and varied. By understanding how to use it effectively and safely, you can unlock the full potential of this timeless remedy. So why not give castor oil a try and see the difference it can make in your life?